We at Ear Guru, the Ear Health blog, regularly share information to educate our viewer on all matters related to the ear. Our videos and website have helpful blogs on hearing loss, hearing aids, speech therapy and cochlear implants. In this video, we will discuss recommended home remedies for earache. Earache is very common and every one of us has spent hours in pain and agony at some time. Surprisingly, the majority of the people suffer from earache at night, the time when doctors are not easily available. Either one bears the pain till medical help is available or depend on home remedies for earache. The home remedies for earache may not be as effective as the medicines prescribed by the doctor, but the tried and tested earache remedies do give temporary relief. What are the common causes of earache? The common causes of earache are ear infection, bacterial or fungal, earwax buildup, allergy, common cold, respiratory tract infection, eustachian tube inflammation, throat and ear pain due to infection, tooth infection, sinus infection, extreme cold weather. In the case of children, an object stuck in the ear, a bead or something similar, fluid accumulation or water trapped in the ear. Can home remedies give relief from earache? Home remedies for earache reduce the pain and discomfort and are the immediate solution if doctors are not available. Do ear infections go away on their own? In the majority of the cases, medicines are not required as the earache goes away by itself. Our body's immune system takes care of minor infections. If there is no reduction in earache, then these earache home treatments are highly recommended. First, cold or warm compress. This is the easiest method and the most preferred. For some people, a warm compress gives more relief than a cold compress. Soak a piece of clean cloth in warm water or use a heating pad. You can also try out an ice pack or a piece of cloth soaked in cold water. Continue with the type of compress which gives more relief. Second, gargling with salt water. Salt has antimicrobial properties and is very effective against throat and ear pain caused by infection. Mix salt in warm water and gargle 2 to 3 times a day. It will reduce the severity of earache and sore throat. Third, hydrogen peroxide solution. At times the accumulated earwax solidifies and becomes hard, causing earache. Hydrogen peroxide is an earwax softener and is used in diluted form for safety. Fourth, use olive oil for removing wax buildup. Warm olive oil can also help to soften and dislodge the stuck earwax. This will give relief from earache. Fifth, rubbing warm oil. Warm up the oil to slightly more than the body temperature level and apply the warm oil around the ear. This method is also known to give relief from earache. Sixth, garlic oil. This is a very effective home remedy for earache. Garlic has antifungal, antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Seventh, onion juice as a home remedy for earache. Onions have antibacterial properties. Put 2 to 3 drops of warm onion juice in the ear. Eighth, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also an effective cure as it contains acetic acid which is antibacterial. Ninth, tea tree oil. The oil from tea tree has anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antiseptic properties that can give relief from earache. 10th, eucalyptus oil. It is one of the oldest remedies for respiratory problems. It gives relief from earache caused by respiratory infection and can clear congestion within minutes. Mix a few drops in hot water and then inhale the steam. The main component is eucalyptol, which has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. 11th, basil leaf extract. The juice of basil leaves has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties and are quite effective in treating ear pain. Crush a few basil leaves and pour 2 to 3 drops in the ear once or twice a day. Caution: avoid the use of ear drops in case of eardrum perforation. 12th, neck exercises or massaging. Getting a massage from a professional chiropractor can give relief. A proper massage or treatment can relax the muscles around the neck and shoulder region, reducing physical stress and ear pain. When should you see a doctor about your earache? You should see a doctor or an audiologist under these circumstances. If there is no gradual reduction in pain within 24 hours of using one of the above home remedies for earache, there is a discharge from the ears. Pus indicates severe infection which requires antibiotic treatment. If you notice swelling behind the ears, if it is a case of ear pain with fever, headache, and dizzy spells, you have an earache and are unable to hear properly. How to get rid of an earache fast? These tips can help in giving immediate relief. If the earache is due to pressure changes, then neck exercises and chewing gum gives immediate relief. Using a hairdryer can give relief from ear pain. The hairdryer setting should be at the lowest heat setting. Do not use it continuously. Changing the sleeping position or sitting position can bring some relief. Use a small soft cushion to support the neck. Avoid sleeping on the side. It increases the pressure on the ear. Use painkillers like ibuprofen or aspirin. Please note that it is not advisable to give children aspirin and similar medicines without consulting a doctor. How to prevent earache in children? Children are more prone to ear infections and earaches. It is better to take these precautions and reduce the chances of children getting earaches. Since earache is mostly due to bacterial infections, develop hygienic habits in children. They should wash their hands after they finish playing with their toys or outdoor games with their friends. Make sure that your child has received the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine or PCV vaccine. Pneumococcal bacteria are the most common cause of an ear infection. Develop immunity in children. Give them supplements on doctor's advice if they fall sick often. Elders should avoid smoking near their children. Smoke irritates and can give rise to respiratory issues. Keep the children's ears clean. Dry their ears after a bath to prevent fungal infection. Protect the child from dust, pollen, and other triggers if they are allergic. Cover their ears with a muffler or earmuffs during winter. As far as possible, let the body's immune system work in overpowering the minor aches and pains. Avoid unnecessary use of antibiotics. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. www.earguru.in